short. Yes, I came here to Trivandrum on Saturday, and since this time so many things have happened, and I'm very pleasant to be here, and I like this conference and all these presentations. Very good presentations I heard, and yeah, I only want to thank all of you in personal speech I had with some of you, and I'm also made friends, I say, and yeah, I have to thank you, and yeah, this should be from me.
Thank you, Professor Dempsey. Next in the agenda is honoring the chairs. I invite Professor Thangachan to honor the chair, Dr. Rajguru, by presenting the momentum. I invite Professor Thangachan to honor the chair, Dr. Narang, by presenting a momentum. I invite Professor Thangachan to honor the chair, Professor James Nee. Next in the agenda is the criteria for the Best Paper Award. I invite Dr. Gilson Thomas to speak a few words on the nature and criteria of the Best Paper evaluation.
Good evening to one and all. So finally we have come to the end of the today's conference, convened under the auspices of ACEEE. I think everything went very nicely, except yesterday's some delay occurred for certain sessions. So this time I could see more number of delegates, foreign delegates, as well as some senior professors. So this accommodation, this location, the food, everything I feel was very nice. So I take this opportunity to convey my sincere gratitude to the organizers, especially to Professor Vinovidas for giving me this wonderful chance. So let me enter into my duty. So here the criteria for the Best Paper Award is like this. So we are considering 5 factors for the Best Paper Award. So the factors are like this. So first one is the originality of the paper. So it gives a weightage of 7 marks, and for the innovation of the paper, again 7 marks. Then author's knowledge, 4 marks. Then paper presentation, 2 marks. Question and discussion session, 5 marks. So altogether 25 marks. So accordingly, we'll assign the marks, and from that we'll select the Best Paper Award winner. So thank you.
For the benefit of all this, in extension to what Dr. Gilson has said, sometimes you might have given a best paper, but the way the paper has been presented might take away the possibility of an award. Because for a long paper you have got 14 minutes, so unless the author has come thoroughly prepared, highlighting the innovations, highlighting the originality, so that particular author, even if that paper might have been original and best, might not have fetched the mark. So this award is mainly based on the presentation of the innovations and originality. So the responsibility mainly lies with the authors. Now comes the Best Paper Award announcement. we have shortlisted 5 papers. The award is in the form of Honorary Gold Award, Honorary Silver Award, Honorary Bronze Award. If the awardee is absent, the medal will not be presented and it will not be sent by post also. All the awardees are expected to be physically present if they have to receive the medals. The honorary gold medal goes to the paper ID AWE159, Mr. Harikrishna Sahu. I invite you to give 1 or 2 minutes.
Respected dignitaries and my dear friends, actually, I am the senior most of all of you, but giving this medal to me, I am very much delighted, though it is my original work, but it may be given to some young people who may be motivated. I am very much feeling honored by all of you by offering this medal to me. Thank you. It will increase my life because I am kidney transplanted person and I will be learning and searching. It I have found while coming to Trivandrum that to increase my life is only to searching, learning and giving. Thank you all.
I invite Professor Thangachen to award, sir. I invite Professor Thangachen to award the honorary gold medal to Professor Harikrishna Sahu. Harikrishna. Silver medal goes to 2 others because they have scored the same points. Paper IDs AME 60 and paper ID AME 11. Paper ID AME 60, I invite Mr. Stanley to come forward. Mr. Stanley? So he is absent. Now the silver medal, next paper ID is AME 11, Dr. Narayan. Dr. Narayan. I invite Professor Vinod Das to award the medal to Professor Dr. Narayan. I invite Dr. Narayan to speak a few words on the occasion.
I'm really greatly honored for the award that I have received. I think that's a different field, that's a new and upcoming field. Companies are working on, industries are working on in US, and I don't know whether here it has caught up or not, but that is a very important field that is required in India because of the manufacturing that is growing here. So I hope people have learned something from here, and if they are interested, they can contact me. I will guide them further, because not all that what I wanted to say was given in the paper or in the presentation. So if you are more interested in it, I'm surely going to help you. And I also mentioned before that it was for masters and PhD, and also it also includes the faculty, the assistant professors and the associate professors who were here and who did their presentation. So in fact, I would say this is a very positive point that we had both the students and the professors who are teaching in their expertise fields, that they were able to share their knowledge. Once again, I thank the sponsors for giving me this award. Thank you.
In a similar fashion, honorary bronze medal goes to two papers, AW 136 and AME 542. Now I invite paper ID AW 136, Professor Vaibhav